The benefits of crafting for the mind. Crafting is not only about the meaning things, it's about how those moments make you feel. When you sit down to create, you give yourself permission to slow down. You let your thoughts flow gently, and your mind becomes calmer with every motion. Mindful crafting reduces anxiety, improves focus, and encourages joy through expression. It helps you reconnect when you present movement. One brush strokes, one note, one decoration at a time. Every time your hands move with purpose, your brain releases serotonin, the natural chemical of calm and happiness. Crafting can truly heal the heart, especially during the holiday season when emotions run high and movements feel rushed. So let crafting become your quiet ritual, a time to breathe, to create, and to recharge. Another wonderful benefits of X-Max crafting is that it teaches sustainability and care for our planet. By reusing jars, wood pieces, ribbons, or old fabric scraps, you are creating something new out of what already exists. Dollar Tree items are perfect for this simple, affordable, and easy to transform. You can recycle cardboard into mini X-Mix trees, turn old bottles into candle holders, or make rustic ornaments from leftover twine. This is not just about saving money, it's about honoring the material we use. It's about giving love to every small thing and creating beauty with intentions. That's what beneficial crafting means, a creative process that kind to both you and environment. Now let's pause for a moment. Imagine yourself sitting at your craft table, soft music playing, fairy lights twinkling, and a cup of warm cocoa beside you. You reach for a pine cone, tie a bit of jute around it, and feel its texture against your fingertips. The smell of glue and cinnamon fill the air. Each piece you place brings a quiet joy. There is no rush, no stress, only presence. In this moment, you are both the artist, the piece you create. This is the true gifts of crafting, not the finished product, but the mindful calm you find along the way. As you come to the end of the season, take a deep breath and look at what you have created. It might be small, simple, or imperfect, but it carries your energy, your love, and your story. Let every craft you make this X-Mix be a reflection of joy, gratitude, and mindfulness. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot of make something beautiful. All you need is time, intention, and heart. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. We will definitely try to bring amazing and some best ideas for you. Thank you for joining this peaceful crafting journey. May your home, may your holiday fulfill with craft, love, and happiness. Wishing you a very happy festival. Keep crafting. Take some jute craft, take some ornaments, take some leftover pieces, and make a new thing. Take some pine cones and artificial grass, and some take some ordinary things and turn into extraordinary things. These crafting ideas are very beneficial and beautiful for you, for everything who wants to create something new and amazing. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice day. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. We will definitely try to upload whatever you want to watch in our videos. So keep commenting on my channel and write your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for supporting. Keep crafting, keep creating something new and beautiful. Have a very nice and very beautiful good day. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness.